an ambulance. I jumped in the car because they was finna leave me.
Okay.
On March 12, 2024, deputies responded to a shoplifting incident that was actively taking place.
Come here, Pat. You run, you're in trouble.
Run, you get in more trouble.
These two girls. The guys in the vehicle.
Ho, 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 ho. You try to hit me? Did you just try to hit me? Foxtrot 64, they're taking a 1031 in the white Toyota. Stand by for tag. They just about hit me. Foxtrot 64, they got the tag covered with a medical, same as what we just had.
We're landline with somebody that has eyes on.
6134, I think I have the vehicle over by BJ's construction site now, heading eastbound. I need you guys to stay off the radio. We're about to go south onto Seminole Woods.
Southbound on 7.
Turning, making a U-turn now, going back towards 100. First character is a Bravo, last is a Sierra. Coming back out on 100, gonna be going east.
Gonna be going east on 100. I got 6 at Dodge dealership. I got 6 at the Dodge dealership.
It's coming up in the right lane right now. Coming up to Dodge now. Speeds of 75. All right, vehicle wrecked out at Amoco.
Vehicle crashed at Amoco. Vehicle forward Amoco. Jimmy came out here now.
Show me your hands! Give me your hands now! Hands up! Hands up! All three of you, hands up!
Get on the ground! Lay down on the ground now! On the ground! On the ground!
Get down on the ground!
Hands behind your back!
Hey! I didn't do anything!
Show your hands!
Show the hands now! Put the phone down!
Hey, you better come out now with your hands up. Get over here to me now.
I'm trying to
Get up! Are you underwater?
I'm trying to get up.
Do you have anything on you?
No, sir.
Come to me now.
I can't get through there.
You better figure it out. I got one coming to you.
111 on past the way station.
Stop moving.
Keep coming towards me! Come towards me, let me see your hands!
Got it?
Keep coming towards me!
Come on.
Who else is in
What's that?
I'm gonna call her up to you.
Okay.
Man, keep coming!
Put your phone down. Put your phone down. Put it down. Turn around. Turn around. Turn around. Shouldn't have ran from me. I saw you run, really? I'm the guy that you...
Anybody else in the car?
Put your hands together. Put your hands together. Yeah, that's just 3.
I don't split my hands.
Knees to your chest.
Huh?
Knees to your chest. All right, stand up.
Okay. Oh, my leg. Hold on.
You gotta stand up?
My leg.
What's wrong with your leg?
I hit my leg. They hit my leg.
Who hit your leg?
When he was driving, he hit my leg.
When he was driving, he hit your leg?
Yes.
All right, step back with me. Step back with me.
Yeah, step down behind cover.
I got the merchandise that she dropped. Oh, that's our driver right there. Yeah, shouldn't have tried to hit me. Oh, no, what happened? I got you on my video when I pulled up to you.
I didn't
Be
try
very
to hit
careful.
You.
You tell the truth. You tell the truth.
I didn't try to hit you, sir.
No, but you dropped that bag. Took off running. Up against the car. You have anything on your person? Spread your feet, please. Anything on your person?
No, sir.
What were you guys thinking? You know you're in Flagler County, right?
No, sir.
Well, obviously you're gonna learn now. We don't play like this. Not even close. Yeah, it's gonna be pretty bad for you. Alright. Just lean right up here, because I got all the stuff you just stole that you threw on the ground.
I didn't throw that on the ground.
Yeah? It's funny. I got it all on my camera.
Yeah, you do. That went me, sir.
That's what I need to say. I'll get all this out of your way shortly. Alright, have a seat. It's a big room. You have plenty of room to get in. Alright, I'll get all that out of your way. I got one. We try to be really nice to people, but when y'all do what you did and then your boyfriend or husband or whatever he is to you tries to hit me with the car, and y'all all saw me, that's why you took off running and dropped this.
I didn't drop it, sir.
Huh. Well, one of you did, and I thought I saw you with it. And then how many trips did y'all make in and out? It's all on their video.
Yes, sir. That was my first time going in there.
Okay. Well, we're going to see. Don't lie to me, please.
I'm not.
I hope not, because this is bad. Stay put, please.
Can you get my wig and put it back on?
Not right now.
Sir, it ain't nobody else over there.
Okay, well, we have to do our job.
Can you help me get up, sir?
You want to get up?
Yes, sir. It's my leg.
All right. Roll to your knees first. You're going to roll to your knees. There you go. All right, let's get in the shade.
Get my wig for me.
Yep, we'll get it.
Go ahead and have a seat for me.
Okay. Y'all call the ambulance. They got on broke my leg.
All right, we'll get one down here. Let me make sure these cuffs are locked so they don't close up on you.
Okay. Can you go get my wig off the ground for me, sir?
All right, we'll look at that in here in a second.
Just put it on.
I'm not gonna put it on. All right, go ahead and have a seat. Which leg is it?
It's this one.
Left one, right one?
Yeah, it's this one.
This one?
Yes.
All right, I'll help you put it on, or put it up in there. Are you able to twist?
Yes.
Here, come out a second. Ready? All right, bring the other foot out. All right, sit down with your butt first.
Oh!
All right, we'll get you looked at, but I gotta get you in the car for now, okay?
Okay.
Yep, just have a seat in there. All right. Let's see about getting you in there. Come on, I gotta shut the door.
Okay. I'm trying to get in.
You're all right.
It's my leg.
You all right if I push you back? Where's it hurt? Down here?
This one.
Down here? Up here? Okay. I'm gonna slide you back, okay? You ready?
Ah! Oh!
Where, right here?
Yes. It's my thigh.
Okay. Use your left foot, slide back as much as you can. I'll get the
Ah! Oh my God, I can't believe he did.
I'm gonna pull you from the other side, okay?
Okay.
Do not run, okay?
No.
All right, I'm gonna grab your belt loops. Okay, lift your hands up for me. Ready?
Yes. Ah!
My stuff in storage. I'm gonna have to start all over.
Hey, can you see if my head split at the top? It feel like I'm getting a concussion.
I'm sorry?
It feel like I'm going blind. Is my head split, sir?
No, you're not bleeding or anything. Okay, if you want to, you see my med?
Please.
Okay.
Bishop. My leg.
It's just your head. You're feeling dizzy.
I don't broke my leg.
Oh, you got a warrant
For me?
for larceny.
What's that?
Crazy.
What's larceny?
Oh, you got 2 warrants
Huh?
for larceny.
What's larceny? Is
3
that?
warrants.
Huh?
All for theft. That's crazy, bro.
Oh,
It's like I
larceny-
know what I'm doing with my job.
Who's all with you?
Just me, that guy,
Who's that guy?
him in that car.
Who's him in that car?
I don't really know him like that. I know my cousin right here.
Who's your cousin?
Right here.
Huh?
My cousin right there.
Who's that?
That's my blood, cause that's my big
No,
cousin.
what's her name?
Mandy.
Mandy?
Mandy.
Mandy. Okay. Your head and your leg are hurting?
I think I done broke my thigh.
You think you broke your
When
thigh?
he wrecked that car, like I kept telling him to stop.
Yeah.
I jumped in the car because they was finna leave me.
Okay.
When I jumped in the car, I had like, cause they went in TJ Maxx first.
Yeah.
And I sat in the car because I was on the phone with my aunt.
Who's they? Who?
My people that I came with.
Huh?
My people that I came with, we was at different stores, but I didn't, you know what I'm saying? I didn't know because I was sitting in the car.
Where you live at?
We're in Jacksonville, Florida, on the north side of Jacksonville.
Why you guys down here?
You see me? I don't know.
Okay.
Anyway, is there any way I could call my kid's father and let them know what's going on?
Yeah, they'll let you use the phone at the jail.
Are you willing to talk with the detective on what happened today?
No, sir.
No?
No, sir.
Alright, well as of right now, you're at least going to jail for your 3 warrants.
Okay.
When the officer being eluded, it's something else. It's like 5 charges. Damn, I'm just out here trying to survive, Lord. I need that phone, please, bro, please. I need it, bro, please.
Why you need it so bad?
Because I need to call my mom. Please, Officer Smith, please.
You don't know her number?
Not at all. If I did, I'd have you call them through. Please, officer, please. I gotta have somebody.
You said it's in the passenger seat?
I think it is. It's a pink phone. Please, officer. Thank you so much. Babe, I'm so glad you answered. Babe, I'm going to jail. Please, babe, get me out. I'm probably not going to be able to get out because I'm finna have a lot of charges. But, babe, I need commissary and I need money on the phone, babe. I need to ride out. I got to go to 3 different counties.
All 3 suspects were charged with felony retail theft, use of anti-shoplifting countermeasure device, and resisting officer without violence. Gerald was additionally charged with fleeing or attempting to elude law enforcement at high speed, driving while license suspended, and aggravated assault on a law enforcement officer. What do you think was going through their heads while they were running? Did they honestly believe they could get away? If you found this video informative, make sure to like, comment your thoughts below, and subscribe for more real police body cam footage and true crime content.